So tell us, how do you feel?
I feel in tune with nature today. I'm so refreshed, energized, and ready for the coming week. If you're a mom, a stay-at-home mom, you need at least 1 or 2 outings a week. I mean, a fortnight. So this is my outing for today. Getting some good sun, having a nice fresh air, and snacking on some local snacks from the local market
What's
here
that?
at banana chips
Where?
and popcorn
What? Okay.
from the local market just next door. If you're looking for a weekend out with your family, this is not a paid advertisement, by the way. Come on over to Adventure Park, enjoy some nice fresh air,
Nice view.
nice view.
Let's see.
Bring your kids out, let them run around, burn their energy, and yeah, it's refreshing.
Yeah, and watch the ducks.
What's the ducks dive for their dinner or their snack for the day?
Look at that.
Oh,
This one is good for people who love bird watching.
actual bird watching.
Actual bird.
Actual bird.
Yep. We get you.
Not the birds with that walk. You know, the birds that fly.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye.